few creatures of the night have captured our imagination. What explains our enduring fascination with vampires? What is it about the vampire that explains our interest? Is it the overtones of sexual lust, power, and control? Or is it a fascination with the immortality of the dead? And what dark and hidden parts of our psyche are aroused and captivated by the legends of the undead? The legends of the undead. The legends of the undead. The mystery of the undead will continue to fascinate the mystery of the undead will continue to